there, it's Ashley from WTI, and it is certainly that season again. If you have clicked on this video, it's because your child is probably sick or you are preparing for the sick flu season. This product right here is Zarbee's Children's Cough Syrup and Mucus. And this is the daytime one. This is a wonderful product. Zarbee's is known for being inspired by nature. It's the #1 pediatrician recommended cough syrup brand for children 12 and under, and this is actually for kids 2 to 6 years old. It has really good ingredients in it like dark honey, ivy leaf extract, and zinc and elderberry. One of the things that I really like about Zarbee's is that they use natural sweeteners to make their products taste good. So this has honey in it, and of course the honey is sweet, and it has a mixed berry flavor. It doesn't have any added sugars or sweeteners. So this is a really good product. I find that it really does work. It helps with soothing the cough, that dry throat, the hoarseness, and also to clear out any mucus that might be in your child's throat. So I would highly recommend this product. It tastes good. Your child will like to actually have this when they're not feeling good, and that's my point of view.